Hello students, I hope you all are fine out there. We are doing the probable questions for upcoming MP 2023, isn't it? So I have selected another question from mensuration. So let's begin. Curved surface areas of two spheres are in a ratio 1:4. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, we are provided with the ratio of the curved surface area of two spheres, that is 1:4. And we are asked to find the ratio of their volumes. I hope you understood the question. If not, then I'll make you understand. See here. We have two spheres. One is smaller and another is bigger. Okay. If the size of the spheres are different, then obviously their radius will also be different, isn't it? So this is the radius of the smaller sphere. R1 is the radius of the smaller sphere, and R2 is the radius of the bigger sphere. Okay. This is the R1 is the radius of the smaller sphere and R2 is the radius of the bigger sphere. So let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two spheres. Okay, let R1 and R2 be the radii of two spheres. So the given condition is, since ratio of curved surface area, okay, this is not South Africa, this is surface area. Ratio of curved surface area of two spheres equals to 1:4. This is the given condition, isn't it? Curved surface areas of two spheres are in a ratio 1:4. Ratio of curved surface area of two spheres is 1:4. And I think you know this. If A is to B, if this is A is to B, then I can write this in this form, A upon B, isn't it? A is to B means A upon B. I hope you know this. So ratio of curved surface area means curved surface area of first sphere upon curved surface area of second sphere, isn't it? Ratio means upon. A is to B can be written as A upon B. So ratio means curved surface area of first sphere upon curved surface of area of the second sphere. That gives us ratio 1:4. 1:4 means 1 upon 4, isn't it? So I hope you know the formula of the curved surface area of sphere. Or what is the formula for the area of the curved surface area? 4 pi r square, isn't it? 4 pi r square, isn't it? This is the area of curved surface of sphere. So our radius is R1 of the smaller sphere, and R2 of the bigger sphere. So curved surface area of the first sphere is 4 pi R1 square, and curved surface area of the second sphere is 4 pi R2 square, isn't it? So this is the ratio of the curved surface area of the two spheres, equals to given 1 upon 4. So this 4 pi and 4 pi can be cancelled easily, isn't it? Or R1 square upon R2 square can be written as R1 by R2 whole square. This square now applies to both the numerator and the denominator, because both of them are within the bracket. So R1 square is R1 square and R2 square is R2 square. Nothing is changed, equals to 1 upon 4. Or you can take this square to the right hand side, isn't it? What happens? R1 by R2 equals to, the square becomes root under. If you take to the right hand side, it becomes root under. So R1 by R2 is root under 1 upon 4. Which means R1 by R2, R1 by R2 equals to root under 1 means 1 and root under 4 means 2, isn't it? Root 4 means 2, 2 to the 4. So let us apply invertendo here. Invertendo means the number in the denominator goes to the numerator and the number from the numerator comes down to the denominator. If you do this in the left hand side, you must do that same thing in the right hand side as well. Okay, so or R2 by R1 equals to, this becomes 2 upon 1, isn't it? Or R2 equals to R1 into 2 is 2R1. So there is 1 in the denominator, so we need not write that 1 because every number has 1 in the denominator. So let us consider this as equation 1. Okay, now let us move further. Now we have found that R2 equals to 2R1. Now let us find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, let us find the ratio of their volumes. Therefore ratio of their volumes, there means ratio of the volumes of two spheres. Okay, ratio of their volumes equals to volume of first sphere, that means smaller sphere, isn't it, upon volume of second sphere. Are you getting me? Ratio of their volumes means volume of first sphere upon volume of second sphere. This gives the ratio of their volumes. So what is the formula for the volume of a sphere? I hope you know this. 4 by 3 pi r cube, isn't it? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of a sphere, isn't it? So we have radius different here. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is the volume of the first sphere upon 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. This is the volume of the second sphere. Because their radius are different, so their volumes will be different. So this 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 can be cancelled, and this pi can also be cancelled. So r1 cube is in the numerator, and in the denominator we have r2 cube. And what is the value of R2? R2 is 2R1. So let us put the value of R2 from equation 1. R2 means 2R1. 2R1 whole cubed, isn't it? R2 means 2R1. Now this cubed comes here. Oh, this is not a square, okay? This is cubed. This cubed comes here. So R1 cube remains in the numerator as it is. We have 2r cubed, isn't it? This cube is for both the numbers 2 and r because both of them are within the bracket. So 2 cube means 8. R1 cubed means R1 cubed. Okay. So this R1 cubed and R1 cubed can be cancelled. So in the numerator we have 1. So this is 1. And in the denominator we have 8. That means is to 8. 1 upon 8 means 1 is to 8. So we were asked to find the ratio of their volumes. Ratio of their volumes is 1 is to 8. I hope you got this. Okay, now let us do another probable question for MP 2023. Okay, this is the next question. Let's do this question. The area of a curved surface of a right circular cone is √5 times of that of the base of the cone. Find the ratio of the height and the radius of the base. Did you get the question? I don't think so. Let me make you understand this. This is the cone, okay? This is the height of the cone, isn't it? This is the height of the cone. And this is the radius of the base of the cone. R is the radius of the base of the cone. This is the slant height of the cone, okay? Now, what is given to us? Given condition is the area of the curved surface of right circular cone is √5 times the area of its base, isn't it? The lateral surface area, curved surface area means lateral surface area. Area of lateral surface is √5 times the area of the base. And the base of cone is always circular, isn't it? So, area of the lateral surface is √5 times the area of the base. This is the given condition. We are going to use this, okay? Since lateral surface area, curved surface area can be written as lateral surface area, okay? Lateral surface area equals to √5 times area of base. This is the given condition. lateral surface area or the curved surface area equals to root 5 times area of its base. Now what is the formula for lateral surface area of cone? I hope you know this very well. Lateral surface area pi r l, isn't it? So pi r l, r is the radius of the base of the cone and l is the slant height. Okay, this slant height is the l, not the height. Height is h, slant height is l. This is the formula for lateral surface area, equals to root 5 times area of base. So area of base is circular, isn't it? Base is circular. So what is the formula for the circle? Pi r square. This is the formula for the circular base, isn't it? Area of the circular base. So let us find the value of L from here. Okay, so let us keep L in the left hand side, equals to root 5 into pi r square upon this. Pi r goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? Pi r goes to the denominator. Now this pi and this pi can be cancelled. There is one r in the denominator and two r's in the numerator, so one r and another r goes from the numerator. So our L equals to, we have root 5 into r, root 5 into r. So the value of L is root 5 into r. Suppose this is equation 1. Okay, root 5 into r is L. What is L? L is the slant height. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is A, this is O, and this is B. You can see a right angle triangle AOB in the figure. AOB, this is a right angle triangle, right angled at O. Applying Pythagoras theorem, applying Pythagoras theorem. I'm just writing this to make you understand only. Actually, no need to write all these things in the examination. Okay, just to make you understand, I'm writing this. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is AB, isn't it? AB square equals to perpendicular is AO square plus base square, isn't it? So base is OB square. This is base. No need to write all these things in the examination. Okay, these are time consuming things. I'm just writing this to make you understand. Do as fast as you can in the examination, because mathematics means time consuming subject. You must save your time. Okay, AB is L. So AB means L. L square equals to AO. What is AO? AO is H. So AO is H. So H square, isn't it? H square plus OB means R. So R square. Now what is L? L is root 5R, isn't it? Instead of L, I can write root 5R. So root 5R square equals to H square plus R square. Let us write from 1. Okay, from 1. This is from 1. From 1 we have the value of L equals to root 5R. So we put the value of L, root 5R, and L square means root 5R square. Okay, from here I am going to find the value of H. So root 5 square, this square is for both root 5 and R, isn't it? So root 5 square is 5. Let us write this in the front. Okay, or H square plus R square equals to H square plus R square equals to root 5R whole square. Means root 5 square means 5. So this R square means R square, or H square equals to 5R square. This plus R square goes to the right hand side, minus R square, or H equals to 5R square minus R square is 4R square. Are you getting me? So this square goes to the right hand side and becomes root, or H equals to root under 4 means 2 and root under R square means R. So H equals to 2R. we have found the value of as is 2r. Therefore, ratio, we are asked to find the ratio of the height to the ratio of radius of its base, isn't it? Radius of its base. Okay, ratio of height to the radius of its base. Radius of base equals to h into r, isn't it? Ratio is height is to radius, height is to radius, h is height is to radius is r. So what is the value of h? Value of h is 2r from equation 2. H is 2r, so let us put 2r. The value of h is 2r, so we are putting 2r is to r, isn't it? 2r is to r. So this r and this r can be cancelled. So this is 2 is to 1. So we were asked to find the ratio of the height to its radius of the base. So ratio of the height to the radius of the base is 2 is to 1. Okay, I hope you got this. If you understood the concept which I taught you, and if you like the way of my teaching, then please like the video and subscribe the channel to support me. Okay, thank you.